Hey, what's going on, folks? Ontarian here, Passive Income Guru. Going to be a real short video, just a couple of more quick testimonials for the Sauce bot from a couple of members, guys. That's using this bot, guys. And hey, listen, this thing is working. Okay, if you follow the rules and you understand what we are doing here. Trying to bend it. The bot can really produce for you. Okay, it really can. So Benjamin told me I had permission to you know show him and show his testimony that he wrote me this past Thursday. Okay. And basically, he said, he wants to thank me for sharing the SauceBot software. Since he's been using it, he's been in profit. He said he likes the simplicity. Just select your pair and time frame, and the rest is the sauce doing its thing. So Benjamin is doing we set everybody up on a particular pair that is very conservative, but everybody's everybody's gonna do their own thing in the end, guys. So Benjamin is trading a different pair than we set him up on, and he's having success with it. Okay, so big ups to Benjamin. I had a chance to speak to him on the phone, and when he told me his profit so far, I was like, man, that is that is amazing. That is amazing right there. So he's actually he's also a part of my PAMM account. So he's double dipping. He's earning passive income with the bot, and he's earning passive income with it inside the PAMM. So he understands the art of diversification in multiple streams of income. All right. Now, guys, disclaimer: I'm not promising you anything with the bot. I'm not even promising you any profits, guys. This is investing. So you're putting your when you put your money up. It's a risk. Okay, just understand that. All right, but then again, when there's no risk, there's no reward. So you got to take the leap of faith. All right. One more testimonial. This is from one of our main members here. Okay, one of our main members, and she's been with us, guys, for over a year with the bot. Rena has helped a few of our previous customers get set up. She's I would say that she's definitely a veteran with the bot. So once you guys purchase this thing, I can connect you with her, and she can help you with your settings and everything in her strategy. But basically, I check in with her about every week or so to see how things are going. And she says she's very satisfied. Just talking about the end of this week, she said both sell and buy positions were closed. I had maximum of 18 positions open on both sides, so I'm happy they all closed with profits. And because of the long waiting and swap fees, the final weekly profit is less than usual, but still very good because she's used to getting around over 100 plus a week, so around 130, 150 a week. And as you can see here, guys, this is, she still ended up the week with $84, still ended up in profit. Okay. So you can't beat that. And that's that is a timely testimonial right there. So guys, if you want to get the bot right now, let's go to right now. The bot, guys, is on sale. Okay, 50% off. It usually goes for 500, but it is 50% off for the rest of the month. You have until the end of the month, ladies and gentlemen, to get this discount. Okay, you got until the end of the month to get this discount. So you can get it for $250 one time. All right, $250 one time. And we will set you up with this as well. You're going to need a VPS, or virtual private server, of which I can provide for you. And you're going to need a broker as well, of which I can provide for you as well. All right. So go ahead and get started. All right, I'm going to leave the information below for you to get started. If you have questions, feel free to book a time on my calendar and let's talk and let me answer your questions, okay? So we can get you on board. All right. So also make sure you check out the case studies on my website, thepassiveincomeguruonline.com. You can check out some case studies that I did before I even started promoting the sauce. And you see these case studies were very positive. And then we went into full blast, full mode. Okay. And people were started having crazy results, crazy results. Okay. So, yeah, so folks, just basically, again, the information is going to be below the video. And if you have any questions, you know where to find me. Okay. You can also look me up on Facebook. Okay. Look me up on Facebook. Make sure you see the blue check mark. That's how you know it's really me. A lot of posers out there. Okay. I always tell my people this: do not just pay attention. If they don't have the blue check mark, it's not me. So make sure to add me on Facebook. Send me a friend request. Also message me as well, and let's connect. Okay. Looking forward to helping you prosper in this area of passive income. I got several things for you, and the sauce bot is just one of those things. Okay. All right. So take care. Enjoy the rest of your day and weekend. Talk to you soon.